Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making kimchi grilled cheese sandwich. This is a Korean twist on an American favorite. Let's get started. I'm using a rustic sourdough and cutting into half-inch slices. Spreading mayo on one side of the bread. This is about a cup of sour kimchi, enough to make 2 sandwiches. We're going to fry the kimchi in a little bit of oil. Add some sugar and gochujang, which will help sweeten and caramelize the kimchi. Keep frying and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate pan, melt some butter over medium heat. Place the slices of bread, mayo side up. After you flip, place a generous amount of cheese on each slice. I'm using mozzarella and Kobe Jack. What kind of cheese would you use? Then place a layer of kimchi jam on one side. After the cheese starts to melt, put the sandwich together. And flip one more time to get a good crisp on the other side. Slice and serve. You hear the crispy bread? Look at that. The creamy cheese is the perfect balance with the spicy and tangy kimchi. Guys, this is next level grilled cheese, and it will soon become your go-to sandwich. Hope you try this recipe for kimchi grilled cheese, and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.